In the vibrant democracy of India, a transformative legal reform is on the horizon. The BharatiyaNyayaSanhita Bill 2023 emerges as a landmark proposal set to redefine the contours of criminal law in the country. Today, we explore deep into the distinctions of this groundbreaking legislation, exploring its potential to reshape justice, equality, and freedom. Since its inception, the Indian Penal Code has been the foundation of criminal law. But as society evolves, so must our laws. The BharatiyaNyayaSanhita Bill, introduced in 2023, marks a significant departure from its predecessors, aiming to address the complexities of modern Indian society. For decades, the Indian Penal Code has been the cornerstone of criminal law in India, a relic of the colonial past, witnessing the nation's trials and tribulations, its evolution, and the unyielding spirit. But as society progresses, so must its laws. BharatiyaNyayaSanhita Bill 2023, a bold step forward, casting away the shadows of outdated provisions and embracing a future where justice does not discriminate. A notable introduction is Clause 69, targeting deceitful promises of marriage. This provision seemingly responds to the love jihad narrative, aiming to criminalize exploitation under the pretext of marriage, extending punishment to up to 10 years. The bill takes firm stance against mob lynching, organized crime, and integrating these under ordinary criminal law. For the first time, organized crime is tackled with the realm of standard legal procedures, signaling a shift towards more transparent and equitable justice. In a significant move, terrorism is brought under ordinary criminal law, broadening the scope of what constitutes terror activities. This includes a detailed approach toward terror financing, drawing inspiration from international models like the Philippines Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020. By bringing terrorism under the sphere of ordinary criminal law, BharatiyaNyayaSanhita Bill makes a clear statement: there is no place for terror in a society that values peace and justice. The bill boldly repeals Section 377, a colonial-era law that criminalized homosexuality, aligning with the Supreme Court's 2018 judgment. It also omits the offense of adultery, reflecting a progressive stance on personal freedom and morality. A stride towards gender neutrality is evident as the BNS bill amends several provisions to ensure equality before law, regardless of gender. This includes changes to laws related to sexual offences, offering protection to all children under a uniform legal framework. However, the bill is not without its controversies. The introduction of a clause criminalizing attempts to suicide with an intent to protest has sparked debates on the balance between public order and the right to dissent. While the BNS bill makes groundbreaking reforms, it also raises questions about civil liberties and judicial discretion, especially in provisions related to mandatory minimum sentences and the broad definition of terrorism. As India stands at the cusp of legal transformation, the BharatiyaNyayaSanhita Bill 2023 presents a vision of a more inclusive, just, and equitable society. Yet, as with any significant reform, it navigates the delicate balance between tradition and progress, security and freedom. As we stand on the brink of change, the BharatiyaNyayaSanhita Bill 2023 promises a future where the law is just not a rule book, but a living, breathing embodiment of justice, equality, and humanity. This is not the end, but a new beginning, a narrative for a nation ready to confront its past and embrace a just future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the heart of India's legal evolution. For more stories and updates, stay tuned.